Hello guys, welcome to Free Spirit Tarot, Triple V Tarot. Let's do reading for sign of Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus as the sign of Scorpio. Let's do a general collective reading for your person and third party situation. Third party can be their new person, family, friend. Take as take as it resonates in your situation. We will see how your person and third party are getting along, what your person thinks about you now, messages from your partner for you, and tarot advice. This reading is for people who are not in contact with their person. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for all your love and support. Uh, Note that it's a general reading. It may or may not resonate. So, if it doesn't resonate, it's not your story and the messages are not for you. I have already shuffled the cards. So, let's get into your reading. So, what does the situation looks like from outside? So, I have community card, I have 8 of wands, and the emperor. So, from outside, it looks like the people are just watching them, and this third party and your person are in control of their emotions. They are not showing much and they're just moving forward. Wants is also like they have moved far away. Can you see this house? Maybe they have moved away from the place and they have gone somewhere else. So people see that they both are in control of their feelings and they are just moving forward, or they have moved away. Okay, moved away from the earlier place wherever they were staying. So, what is the unseen truth about their relationship? So, the unseen truth is distance horizon, two of pentacle, and five of cups. It is that this third party is not happy. As I have seen that they have moved away. Distance horizon means they have gone away from all the other people, but their money is not balanced, and they both feel sad because they have moved away from, I don't know, I think they have moved away, and this third party is not happy with your person because your person thinks about your love with them. I think so. And this third party sees that he is not concentrating on them, and they she feels sad, or he feels sad, or they feel sad, because one of the main reason is that money is not getting balanced, and the third party thinks that your person is emotionally not yet balanced even after moving away from you. That is what your third party and this person's situation is. Okay, so what do they think about you in alone time? In alone time, journey, chariot, knight of rod. Knight of rod is also knight of wands. So, in alone time, your person thinks that they want to travel towards you. There are two travel cards. They feel like they should just leave the thing and come, and as they have moved away from you, they want to travel towards you and come and meet you passionately. Yeah. See, can you see this dragon? I just notified it. I think it's a lizard or dragon. I don't know. So they keep an eye on you, I guess, and they want to come towards you. That is what they think when they are alone. So, what's the truth your person didn't know about this third party? They think that this third party or your person, third party's truth was that they want, this is the great fortune, eight of cups, and the death. They think that when this third party came into their life, this luck has gone away from them. this luck has, or this money, flow of money has gone away, as they feel like they should not have left you behind emotionally. They feel that they should not have done this. Yeah, they think, they feel sad. Can you see this moon's face? It's sad. They think that they should not have kept all these things and in a secret, and they walked emotionally out of you, and they feel sad about it because they think that they ended their good fortune. Yeah, that is what they feel now. Because of this third party, they ended their good fortune. You were his lucky charm, I guess. Yeah, that is what he feels now. So that luck is not coming with this third party. That is why he is emotionally or financially here. He is again juggling here. So what action should you take about your person as you know about this third party now? Okay, I have mature man, three of swords, and high priestess. I think this three of swords again indicate this third party. So you are very hurt with this third party situation, how he left you. So action you should take is, you should think like a mature man to change the situation, to overcome this heartbreak, the pain you are feeling in your heart, like three swords are stabbed in that heart, and that is really painful. I can feel it. So you need to mature yourself. You need to heal this heartbreak and be wise. Be a wise woman. Can you see this high priestess? High priestess is a wise woman. I think also you should also take some spiritual help. Like if whatever religion you are from, you should take it. Like if you are um, from Hindu, then you should go into spirituality. You can go do this God thing. If you are Christian, you should just focus on your spirituality. That is what I'm getting from this card. So that you can heal your heart and be mature about it. So you have five number here. So five means you need to change this situation, this heartbreak. You have to come out of this heartbreak wisely, or spiritually it will help you. Okay. So presently what they think about you? I have message, page of cups, and the world. So they are thinking to message you that they want to apologize to you, but that will be like very childish way. They will not tell you the exact reason why they did it. See how they ended the things were not fair to you. So he is thinking, or they are thinking, if she has ended with you in and you are a male, she is thinking to message you or call you. This phone is also looking like prominent. They might call you to apologize just because they ended things with you. So they want to apologize. If it resonated till now, please make sure you like, share, and subscribe my channel. It gives me motivation to keep making more videos. So let's continue with our reading. So let's see what are the messages from your person. As he is not in contact, as they are not in contact with you, what are their messages? Oh, he is okay. I'll take three cards. Let's see. Universe guide. Please guide me through these messages. What are their person's messages? Okay. So he is indecisive still now. See, for me, this relation was about beneficial purposes only. So when he was with you, it was only about, yeah, okay. So when he was with you, he had this feeling that for me this relation was always about beneficial purposes only. I feel so sad and helpless that I don't know which direction to go. This explains this Five of Cups card. With this third party, he is not happy. He's so sad and he feels helpless because he don't know what to do. This is the juggling card again. He doesn't know what he wants till now. I want to work it out. It might be that he want to work out with third party, but it's not working with him. That is what I can feel. I'll do anything to do with anything to be with you. Just forgive me. See, I told you he wants forgiveness from you. I think he wants to come back with you, but he's feeling very guilty because he has broken your heart and he doesn't know how to come back. So, what are the advice of universe to you regarding your relationship? I have three cards: Sun, Magician, and Ten of Pentacle. Okay, and you have the Lord. The Lord is Emperor card in this deck. So, universe is telling you that you need to take control of your emotions first. Everything will come to light. Everything will come to light regarding this person and third party, and you can manifest whatever you want. If you want this person back, you will attract him back. You can have him back. But if you don't want him, you will have a stable relationship with someone else, and that will this other relationship, whatever is coming towards you, will have a long term stability. Yeah, generational wealth. I am hearing generational wealth. So you have to decide, I think. Yeah, so it's in near future. Don't worry, divine timing is at work. I hope you like this reading. If this reading has resonated, please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell for more videos. For personal readings, do check description box down below. See you soon in next video. Till then, love and light. Scorpio, see you soon.